What if I told you that time might not be flowing at all? That the past, present, and future could all exist at the same time? Right now, as you listen to this, the future may already be there, waiting. We feel time move forward every second. But what if that feeling is misleading? What if time is not what we think it is? By the way, if you like learning things like this, you might enjoy subscribing. Time shapes everything we do. We plan our days around it. We measure our lives by it. We fear running out of it. Clocks tell us when to wake up. Calendars tell us when we grow older. History tells us what is already past. But here's the strange part. Time feels obvious, yet it's incredibly hard to define. You can point to a chair, you can hold a stone, but you can't point to time itself. Scientists, philosophers, and thinkers have argued about time for thousands of years. Is time something that exists on its own, or is it something created by the human mind? To understand time, we need to question the most basic assumption we make every day. That time flows like a river from past to future. Let's start with how time feels. You remember the past, you experience the present, you imagine the future. This creates a sense of movement, as if time is pushing you forward. But physics tells a different story. Imagine the universe as a giant book. Every page is a moment in time. Page 1 is the distant past. The last page is the far future. From this view, the entire story already exists. Nothing is moving. We are simply reading page by page. This idea is called the block universe. In it, time doesn't flow. Everything just is. So why does time feel like it's moving? One reason is memory. We remember yesterday, but not tomorrow. Our brains store information in one direction. That creates the feeling of a past behind us and a future ahead. Another reason is change. Things change constantly. Ice melts, people age. Stars burn out. We use time to describe change. But some thinkers argue that time is not causing change. Change is causing time. Now let's talk about clocks. A clock doesn't measure time itself. It measures motion, the swing of a pendulum, the vibration of atoms, the movement of hands around a circle. If nothing changed at all, no clock could tick. Time, as we measure it, depends on motion, and motion depends on the universe having energy and structure. Then there's Einstein. Einstein showed that time is not the same everywhere. It slows down when you move very fast. It slows down near strong gravity. A clock on a mountain ticks slightly faster than one at sea level. Astronauts age a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. This means time is flexible. It bends, it stretches. So time is not a single universal thing. Each observer carries their own version of time. And yet, despite all this, we still experience now. But what is now? The present moment feels special, like a thin line separating past and future. But physics struggles to find this now. There is no universal present that everyone agrees on. What is now for you may be past or future for someone else. This suggests something surprising. The present may not be a feature of the universe. It may be a feature of the mind. Here's the twist. Some scientists think time might not exist at all. At the deepest level of reality, the equations that describe the universe work perfectly without time. They describe relationships, not moments. In these equations, nothing happens. Everything simply exists in relation to everything else. Time, in this view, emerges later, like temperature or pressure. Temperature feels real, but it comes from the motion of tiny particles. There is no single particle called heat. Time might be the same. Not fundamental, but a useful illusion. An illusion created by consciousness trying to make sense of change. So when you feel time speeding up or slowing down, when a minute feels like an hour, or a year feels like a week, that may not be time changing, it may be you. So what is time, really? It might be a dimension woven into the universe. It might be an illusion created by memory. It might be a tool we invented to understand change. Or it might be all of these at once. Time may not flow, but we do. We move through experiences, we collect memories, we imagine futures. And maybe that's enough. Because whether time is real or not, your moments still matter. So here's a final question to think about. If time isn't something that passes, but something you experience, what would you do differently with the moment? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.